In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach image on LinkedIn post. If you want to make your LinkedIn post more eye-catching and engaging, adding an image is a great way to do it. The process is quick and simple, and once you know where to click, you can do it in just a few moments. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, go to the LinkedIn feed. This is the main homepage where you normally see updates, posts, and the post creation box at the top. Make sure you're signed into your LinkedIn account so you can create a new post from there. Once you're on the feed, look for the option labeled photo. This is the tool LinkedIn gives you to add an image directly into your post. Click on photo to start the upload process. If you don't see it right away, check the post creation area near the top of the page, since that's typically where LinkedIn places media options. After clicking photo, choose the option to upload from your computer, then select the image you want to attach. This will open your file browser, allowing you to find the image saved on your device. Take a moment here to pick the correct file. It's helpful to use an image that is clear, relevant to your post, and high enough quality to look professional once uploaded. When you find the image you want, select it to continue. LinkedIn will then load the image and give you a preview. At this stage, you can quickly check that the correct image has been added and that it looks the way you expect. If everything appears right, go ahead and click Next. This confirms your image selection and moves you forward in the post creation process. And that's it. Once you click Next, your image is attached and ready to be included in your LinkedIn post. From there, you can continue preparing the rest of your post before sharing it. A final tip. Before posting, it's always a good idea to make sure your image matches the message you want to communicate. A strong visual can help your post stand out in the feed and make it more likely that people will stop scrolling and pay attention. Now you know exactly how to attach an image to a LinkedIn post quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.